Today we have a crazy spec on this 911 Turbo S Cabriolet. This one finished in satin white on the outside, a two-tone white and black interior, and this one has a very extensive 9 Designs body kit. Starting first on the outside, this one's finished in Carrera white metallic, but it has satin PPF. The 9 Designs body kit includes the rear wing, extra diffuser, the side skirts, the side intakes, massive front splitter, and the wheels, which are finished in black. Calipers for the carbon ceramic brakes are in black. Other black details include the mirrors, inner parts of the HD Matrix headlights, details on the front, and the Turbo S and Porsche script in the rear, the exclusive designed LED taillights, and the contrasting exhaust tips. On the inside, the white leather goes all throughout, including on the seats, the back seats, with white contrast stitching on the doors, dash, around the air vents, white trim in the center console, dash, and on the doors, carbon fiber on the steering wheel, carbon fiber on the illuminated door sill, Burmester high-end surround sound system, heated and ventilated front seats, controls on the center, a look at the center infotainment screen, stopwatch dial in white, analog tach to match, a screen on the left, a screen on the right, drive mode selector on the steering wheel, and a POV look from the driver's seat.